Designista, welcome to Encoder Fashion. First, I want to thank you both for Priya and Victorian have a comment. Why can't we find the baby avatar in CLO? First thing is that if you have CLO version, like an older version compared to the new version now, most likely that's happened. And I'm going to show you how to update that because sometimes CLO does not take update. You have to go to the external link to update CLO before you get to access that 7.0. In this video, I'm going to share with you the link. Then when you click on the link, you can go into download the new version and hopefully this resolve the problem. Let's get to it. So normally when you first open CLO, if you have any later version in CLO, this is what you see. You see either click on the update button to update CLO3D to the latest version, or you can click on this link right here to go to the external link and then you can update CLO that way. So if happen that you don't see this both option, I have the link right below the description. So you can click on the link, then you can update your CLO. This is the situation when you can't find certain item in CLO library. For example, in this case, you can't find the baby avatar, okay? So I'm going to click on this link here to update. Okay. So this is the link. All right, this link right here, you see right here, the latest version, 7.0.480. So since I'm the CLO user, I need to log in. Just come over here to this top right corner, click on sign in, and it will take me to sign in and just follow the prompt on the screen. So username, I'm going to paste my username and then I'm going to click continue. Then the password is automatic, so I'm going to confirm. And as you can see here now, my username is in here. So what I will do next, scroll down until I see download, okay? So right there, click on download. And that is the latest version update for CLO3D. Then come down here, I'm going to either select Mac or Windows. Since I have MacBook Pro, I'm going to double click on download for Mac to download the latest version. And as you can see down here, it's begin to download. So next I'm going to come to Finder, click on it, then come to download. After that, I'm going to click on this download installer. Next, I'm going to click, drag that, and then drop onto the application. And I'm going to replace the older one. Next, I'm going to click on X right there to get out. Then I'm going to also click X right here to get out as well. And I'm going to double click on CLO once again to launch CLO. Okay, and then this warning sign pop up. CLO standalone app is app download from internet. I'm going to click open. And as you can see now, this is the latest version, which is 7.0.480 and so on. Now I'm going to click on login. Next, I'm going to come to library, click on it to open, and come down to avatar. Double click on the avatar folder. Then come down here and I'm going to select kit avatar folder by double click on it. Then I'm going to come down here. So first of all, we have baby from 2 to 6 or 6 to 18 months, and that's the baby avatar we want. So I'm going to double click on it to load to the workspace. There you have it, Designista. I hope this video is helpful, and remember to follow me on Encoder Fashion so you can have more awesome clothes tips like this. Thanks, guys!